Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged. On this channel, you will find information related to WordPress, blogging, product tutorials, updates, and other related topics. Now in this video, we are going to discuss how can you enable DropCap in 2022 theme. Now I came across this slight confusion while I was doing while I was testing for WordPress 6.0, where I found out that drop cap option was available in 5.9 but it was disabled in WordPress 6.0. So this really left me confused, and on doing a bit of research, I found out two things. Now the first one was it was disabled by default in 2022 theme in WordPress 6.0. And the second thing that I came across is more people are looking for a solution to this problem. And that is why I decided to create this video. Now, just like every video, timestamps to every topic covered are in the description box below. And, you will find the links to our socials there as well. So make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, let me start sharing the screen. And in the meantime, you make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Hello guys, and welcome to the screen capture of this video. Now in the introduction of this video, I was telling you about the drop cap option missing in the 2022 theme. Now let me show you from where this option is basically missing. Now for this, what I am going to do is I'm going to add a new post, which is right here, add new. This is the paragraph block. Let me type in, this is for drop cap. You can see right over here, you can see there is no drop cap option available in the paragraph block settings. Right over here, nothing's available. Now let me click this ellipsis menu right over here, and you can see the drop cap option is missing. Now it is important to know here that the drop cap option in 2022 theme was available in WordPress 5.9. As far as I know, it was activated by default, but after WordPress 6.0 this option is missing. Now again, you have to keep in mind here is that the support for dropcap is present in the 2022 theme, but the option is disabled by default. So what you need to do is you do not have to add the support for dropcap, but you will have to activate it. Now there is no plugin available that will help you do this, so you will have to edit the code for it. Now to enable dropcap, what we are going to do is, first things first, I'm going to save this as draft because we'll get back to it. We'll refresh this page and then we will see if we can add dropcap to it, and we'll go right to this dashboard. Okay. Now from here, what I am going to do is I'm going to go to tools, click the theme file editor, which is right over here, click it, and it will take you to the theme file editor. It will show you all the theme files. You can click right over here, I understand. Okay, now here you will have to search for the theme.json, which is right over here. We'll have to click it and it will open theme.json. Now remember what I am doing here. Follow these steps carefully. Now what you will have to do is click right over here on top, click. You can see the click is right over here. The cursor is available right over here. Now after this cursor, after you have clicked here, the next step is to press Control F or Command F to open the search box, which is right over here. You will see a search box like this. This is the search box. Now what you need to do here is you will have to type in drop cap. Now watch carefully how I am typing drop cap. So I'm typing DROP and CAP. You do not have to put in spaces in between them and press enter right over here. It takes you to this drop cap option under typography. You can see right over here. If you cannot, let me just increase the zoom a bit. You can see, let me collapse this. This is collapsing. Now it has. Okay, now you can see right over here, this is the drop cap option. This is something that we have searched for, and this value is set to false. Now what this means is the support is present but the option is disabled. Okay, the drop cap option is disabled. You can see right over here the value is set to false. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select this false, type in true right here. You can see. Okay. Now I'm going to click here, update file. And that's it. You will see file edited successfully. Now I'm going to zoom out, reset this value, go back to this. I'm going to refresh this page. Okay. Now I'm going to select this paragraph block. You can see the typography option is still not there, but when I will click this, you will see the drop cap option is now available. Now, when you will click this option, it will show you the toggle for drop cap. Now, when you will click this drop cap, it will change this. Now you can save this as draft. And that's it. You have successfully enabled drop cap um, in the 2022 theme. Okay, now let me take you through this change once again. Okay, just for the recap purposes, so that you know what you are doing. Let me take you through again. Let me change the value right over here back to false and update file. Let me go back to dashboard, which is right over here. Click this and let's just refresh this. The typography option, the drop cap option is missing. Okay, now let's do a recap. Now to enable drop cap, what you will have to do is go to theme file editor right over here. From these set of files, select theme.json. Let me zoom in a little right over here. Click right over here. Your cursor has to be right over here, just like this. Press Control F. A search box will open for Mac users. It is Command F for search. Type in drop cap, no spaces, please. Okay, remember this, no spaces. Press enter, and it will show you this typography option right over here. You can see drop cap and drop cap. It is set to false right over here, which means the support is present, but the option is disabled by default. So what you are going to do right now is you're going to select this false right over here, double click it, change this value to true, go down to the bottom, click update file right over here, file edited successfully. And I'm going to zoom out. I'm going to go back, refresh this option right over here, select this paragraph block, go to typography options right over here. Drop cap is right over here. Click this toggle, enables drop cap, save, publish, whatever is that you want to do. Drop cap has been enabled in your 2022 theme. Now remember, you do not have to add the support. You will just have to change one value in the theme.json file, which is inside the theme file editor. It is not difficult. You just have to follow these steps carefully. Now, I have created a tutorial for it. I've written an article for it as well. Link to it is in the description box below. If you want to follow the video, follow the video. If you want to read the article, go down, read the article. If you want to follow both, follow both. It is up to you. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below, even if you have enabled it, that this tutorial has helped you, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, I hope you have found this video helpful and are able to activate DropCap in 2022 theme. Now, if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the post notification bell. Now, in case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.